what kind of research should I do so that it's easier for me to get published? While there are many, many aspects to this, but I have narrowed it down to two things which I think make the most impact about you getting published. First one is the kind of experience you hold in the field, and the second one is what is your research doing? Are you testing a hypothesis or are you generating one? If you're testing a hypothesis, then you're most probably doing a quantitative research, and if you're giving out a hypothesis, then you're doing qualitative research. So, if you're relatively new in the field or you have little experience under 5 years, you're better off doing a quantitative research where you're testing a hypothesis, because here you'll be using statistical tests to come to a conclusion, and you'll be doing it on more number of people, and also the external validity of your study is going to be higher than qualitative studies. As if you're fairly experienced in your field, then you're good to go with qualitative research where you're giving out a hypothesis instead of testing one. Let's understand this with an example. Now, if I was to sit and judge Mona Lisa, the painting, would it matter as much? Not really. I don't come from an arts background, nor do I have much experience of painting. But if MF Hussain was to judge the painting, would it matter? Of course. His subject knowledge and his experience in the field would definitely convince more people whether he liked the painting or not, or if it was even a good painting or not. Now, let's say I'm judging the painting Mona Lisa once again, but this time basis an index or a scale which is used internationally to assess how good or bad a painting is, basis the expression it is holding, basis the colors that were used, or basis the condition of the canvas that was used. So if I'm using an index which is internationally acceptable, and if then I was to score it following the same indexing pattern, then would my opinion matter? Of course, because now I've removed the subjective element from my research and I've objectified it using an index which is internationally acceptable.